Hey, what's going on? James Bill here. And today I'm going to be showing you how to use your Facebook ad account, even if you've been banned. Let's dive right into it. Okay, what you need to do, guys, I was shut down for about a year and a half. I could not run any ads on Facebook. I was shut down. And if that's the case with you guys, today's your lucky day because I'm going to show you a workaround. Let's dive into it. First thing you want to do, let me minimize this page here. First thing you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and Google Facebook Business Manager, okay? Facebook Business Manager. Let's go ahead and pull that up. Once you get to Facebook Business Manager, right here, you want to go to create a business manager, okay? Bam. Now, let's scroll down. Once you get to the business manager page, here's the business manager page. Once you get there, you're going to simply scroll down to create business manager, and it has a little instructions here for you. Okay, you want to go ahead. It's going to tell you to go to business manager overview, and number 2, you want to click create account. You want to enter your name. Okay, guys, right here, you want to enter a new name, not the old number that you were banned from. You're going to enter a new name now, because what's going to happen here, it's going to let you use that new name to manage all the pages that you have. Okay, that's what this is for. So step 4, you want to enter your business email. And this, you have an option here. They say, don't enter your personal email account, as you want to keep your private and professional accounts, separate. But it's up to you. I went ahead and did I used my same email for everything. That's your option there. And it's number 5, you'll be directed to your newly created business manager. Next, you need to add your assets, like your pages, add all the pages that you want, and you can go, it's going to let you start running ads, guys, I'm telling you. So what you're going to do after that, and I've already set mine, once you click on the go to business manager, it's going to redirect you to that page. And this is mine here. This is my new name I had to go under, because honestly, guys, I was shut down, like I said, for about a year and a half. Didn't know what to do. I tried everything, and I stumbled across this and read upon it, and I want to share that here with you guys today. So go ahead and give it a test run, and I'm sure you're going to be excited about it. I'm giving you the key to get out of jail. Once again, I'm James Bill. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I have another great video like this here. I am in a make money online niche, and if you'd be interested in knowing my #1 recommendation for making money online, go ahead and click on the link below. Guys, I'll see you on the next video.